Hello guys, in today's video we'll learn how to fix the no service problem on Leica Mobile using a few simple steps. First, check your internet connection. Turn it off and wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on again. Next, turn on airplane mode on your phone. Leave it on for a few seconds, then turn it back off. This can help your phone reconnect to the mobile network. Now go back to your phone and open Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and check the available options related to your mobile network and connection. After checking these settings, give your phone a moment to reconnect to the network. Check the signal indicator at the top of the screen to see if the service has returned. If your Leica Mobile signal is back, try making a call or checking your mobile data to confirm that the connection is working properly. If the phone is still showing no service, go through the same connection settings once more and make sure everything related to your mobile network is enabled. You can also restart your phone after making these changes and then check the network again. That's all for this guide. Hopefully, these steps helped you get your Leica Mobile service working again. If you found this tutorial useful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.